Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Amir Hashmi and I am here to share my first semester journey at CS Department UET Lahore with you. It was 4th September when I first entered CS Department with a lot of confidence and aspirations. As every programmer started, we also started by typing hello world and then we learned new concepts one after another. In the first 7 weeks, we grasped the concepts of loop structures, decision-making structures, and functions. And we use these concepts in developing a lot of things. For example, CGPA calculator, prime factorial number calculator, and quadratic equation calculator. First, by using the concepts of first 7 weeks in which I have learned decision-making, group structure and functions, I have made a small UET admission management system in which the student can calculate his aggregate. As you can see, the student has to enter his name, student has to enter his metric marks, he has to enter his inter marks and his ECAT marks, and the system will calculate his GPA. So I have made this by using my concepts of first 7 weeks. By using concepts of first 7 weeks, I also have made a program to calculate the custom vehicle tests, in which you have to enter the type of vehicle. E.g., I have entered M for motorcycle, and then I have to enter the price of the vehicle. Let's suppose I have entered 20,000. So this will give the final price of vehicle after adding the text.
Then 8th week is our mids week. After mids, we learned a lot of new concepts including parallel arrays, 2D arrays, and file handling. We implemented these concepts in making a small console-based business application. I have chosen to make a bank management system which I named Heaven's Bank. I have added the functions for login and sign up in my bank. As you press 1, the program will take the user to login menu, whereas if you press 2, the program will take you to sign up menu. In sign up menu, you have to enter your name and password and also the role. There are 2 roles in my bank. One role is for client and the other is for manager. As you have once make your account, you can simply log in by entering your name and password, and the program will take you to your respective menu. As in this case, the program will take you to the client's menu. I have added 10 functionalities in the client's menu that the client can perform. As you can see, the client can view account status, deposit money, withdraw money, transfer donations, get debit card, get loan, pay loan, exchange currency, submit complaints, and in the end he can log out. Similarly, you can see that this time I am going to be sign up with the role manager. Similarly, I have to enter the name, password, and in the end role. Once I have made my account as a manager, I can easily log in by entering my name and password, and the program will take me to the manager's menu. In my bank, I have also added 10 functionalities for manager. The manager can view records of clients. As you can see that there is no client available at the current moment, so it is showing that there is no client. Else instead the manager can open account, delete account, view total balance, view complaints, block debit card, hire staff, expel staff, view bank staff, and in the end he can log out. As a second project, I have asked to make a console-based game, for which I have choose to make Tanks Battleground game. I have added multiple features in it. As you can see, the player can also select the player. When you will enter to, the game will take you to the select player menu. You can see that I have added 3 characters as player. You can select any player to play the game. As I have entered 1, so the player 1 will be selected in my game. And then you will press any key to continue. It will show the loading of level 1 and then the game will start. You can see there are 3 enemy tanks in my game and 1 player tank. I have added shooting mechanism in my game and also health system for enemies as well as for player. I have also added score system in my game. As the player will destroy one enemy, the player score will increase by the factor of 100, whereas if any enemy fire will hit the player's health will decrease by the factor of 100. The player has to destroy all the 3 enemies to win the game. My game has 2 levels. Once you won the first level, then the game will take you to the IDE showing that you have won and showing your score, and you can play the next level. In the end, I will like to thank our PF teacher Dr. Awais Hassan and Ma'am Maida for guiding us so brilliantly throughout the semester.